Hi guys, so today I have something really cool for you from LDRS Creative that they have brought to HSN ahead of the May 12th craft day. It is their rainbow glue pen kit. So they did send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And the links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. Again, with HSN and YouTube, it might be embedded in the video here, but definitely at the very top of the description box. And I super appreciate the support, guys, so thank you so much for using those. Look how cute this is. Okay. Colored gel pens. This says 6 rainbow colored glue pens. I'm sorry, I meant glue pens. I said gel pen, but that's what they remind me of. But they are glue, guys. And then there are refills. This is super cool. There's 2 of each one. So basically 3, right? The one that's already in here, and then 2 more of each color. What? This is so cool. Okay, and then with that, you have the rainbow glue pens and ephemera kit. So you have the ephemera here. And they're giving you an example of what you might want to do with this. So I am going to see what this is about, guys. So let's open this up. Lots of pieces. I see lots of leaves. I think you can kind of see them kind of shaking around in there. I'm just going to bring out some items. And we'll see what's going on. So I have a feeling, because they're glue pens, they're not going to dry, I don't think. Well, maybe they dry the color that they are. But what I'm thinking is maybe you add like glitter and things, right? A way to dress these guys up, and then also use them to actually glue things down, which would be awesome. So we have a ton of items here. So we have like little gift boxes. We have little suns. Looks like maybe a little puddle of water. Oh, how cute, because they're little boots and their little puddle, right? You have umbrellas in different colors, super cute. You have wreaths, and the paper of these are very much like cardstock, so it's like flat, you know what I'm saying, like cardstock, the way it feels. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Look at these guys. Super sweet cakes. You have the little birdie, that one, excuse me, I keep getting tongue-tied. So we have our little birds in their little cages. You have a birdhouse. Several, lots of sentiments, big hugs and happy thoughts, wishing you the best, sending smiles your way, wishing, okay, are you ready? Wishing you the best, wish you were here, hope your day is amazing. Let me see, does it show on the back? Oh, it doesn't really. I would say if I showed on the back, I would pause and let you, or I would let you pause to see all the different things. Lots of leaves, so lots of sentiments. So what I'm going to do is just get like a card base, you know, put some of this together and maybe decorate them with some of this and maybe some glitter or something like that. And yeah, I'll be right back. Put some things, little boots, little puddle. I got an umbrella, a sentiment, and then the little sun. So I just have this paper for my stash, just some blue paper here. And I assume, you know, you can deck out the embellishments before you stick them on, but I'm going to show you a quick way of adding some cute stuff to your card. So I'm just going to glue this down once I get this glue going. I'll be right back. Okay. So I did cut this down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 to matte layer on an A2 size card. If you're making your own card base, you know, the card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 scored at 4 1/4. You can do a tent fold where it'd be 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2. Whatever you like. Cute. Let me play this out here. And that's so cute. And I was gonna have this maybe somewhere there. Okay, I think I'll put this on last. So I'm gonna glue these pieces down. And then I'm going, well, you know what? Let's use the pens. See how that works. Why not? Especially since my glue bottle's been fighting me. So, you're gonna open that up. Of course, you're gonna take that little red guard off if you can. There we go. It keeps the glue from drying out, you know, staying fresh for you. It's gonna take me a little minute to get that off. Maybe I'm gonna scrub it off. Yeah, that's, oh yeah, no, it's already flowing. Okay. I'm trying to get that little red piece off, and I thought I could just kind of scrub it away. Sorry, I have like a scrap piece of paper over here. Okay. Yeah, it's ready to go. So let me start writing with that. And I don't know if you can see it. I will say, I'm just putting this down so I can get some pressure. Oh, that's what it is. I had it in the air, so that's not gonna work. Let me bring this down a little bit for you guys to see. LDRS Creative has their own videos. You can see all about these there. So as you're pushing, that pressure dispenses the glue. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So you can get a pretty good puddle if you want, or just like a little bit, you know? So let me put this here, my little sun. Just want to see if it can adhere things. It looks like it can, so something to think about. I mean, that's awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and just glue these items down because I don't want to waste it. Okay, but it works really well. Maybe if you're like going to a crop or something, maybe that'd be something fun to have, so you can just quickly, you know, it doesn't take up a lot of space, right? But let me glue down. See, I'm telling you. Okay. I love fighting with my glue. All right. Little puddle. To go this way, this way, this way. Yeah, that way. I'm gonna put this behind the puddle a little bit, wasn't I? I was gonna let it look like it's just falling over. Cute. And our little boots. Okay, so next we're gonna add some cuteness to these things. So just give me a moment. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I opened up a couple other bottles for you. I'm looking for a little scrap paper to help me pour this back in, but that's okay. All right. I need something that's gonna be kind of lightweight so I can funnel it. I'll be right back. Well, this isn't lightweight, but I'm not gonna go upstairs and get a piece of printer paper, but something lightweight so you can funnel whatever it is that you want to use back. Think about, you know, half pearls, like all these things that you can obviously use these for. And so I'm just opening this up. I have a huge jar of like ultra fine glitter, but of course I can't find it. You know why? Because I don't hardly use it, because a lot of times if you just use glue and you're dabbing it, it's too big and it just doesn't look quite right, you know? So this is awesome. So I'm gonna have to find that jar. But anyhow, so this is the purple, and you can see it's purple. Hopefully you can see that there. And I just took the little thing off so I wouldn't waste your time. And there's the blue. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. Actually, I'm going to put that over here now. Now, I don't know if they're going to stay purple and blue or if they get lighter in color. Think about your foils, right? Your transfer foil like type things, your cold foils. That's going to work really well. I mean, I can trace this. I can do little dots. What should I do? What should I do? Should I give it a little trace? Maybe I can give a little trace. Just something cute. Okay. And again, as you're using it, the pressure that when you push down, it just works. I don't know if I'm supposed to let that dry a little bit before I put this on here, but let's just go for it. Oh, actually, I was going to do everything and then just pour it all at once, but we can just put that on there and let that. How cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, our little our son can have a little something. Okay, so anyway, the reason I was gonna do all at once is that way I just pour it off at the same time. So like, maybe this little handle can have glitter. I'm just gonna color the whole thing in. All right, something like that. I mean, obviously the umbrella could have a little glitter. I'm gonna just let that sit on there while I move on. Did I use the purple or the blue? I've been using the blue, huh? Okay, let me use the blue here. And again, just to kind of go around here and just following some of these little shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Something like that, maybe a little more here. I guess I should have done the purple boots, what I was gonna do there. Because now I have glitter sitting there. Actually, I can just shake it off. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just getting away from these glitter piles that I'm making here. How about a little something, I was gonna say not every single one, but I'm gonna have to do every single one. Why? Because I already did them in a weird line. If I was gonna do like every other one, that's something. Or just these guys in the front, you know, maybe the guys in the back don't need to have any, but either way, I'm just gonna go for it. And look how quick, I mean, just a little dab will do ya. If you want a little bit on those ones that are peeking out in the back. And that holds super fast. I mean, you saw me, I didn't even like wait. I just got it on there. This, I just touched it with my nail and I feel like it's already dry, or at least drying, because nothing happened. Okay, let me put this glitter away. I'll be right back. Yeah, it definitely still has a little tackiness that, remember, and see, it's drying, or it's dried, and it's not clear. So it does have color. And if you have foils, oh man, I had a piece here. I literally just tossed out some foil that was sitting here because I was like, oh, anyway, leftover pieces, it would stick to that, you know what I'm saying? And then the foil would stay there, so you can do foiling too. Lots of things. So yeah, I just took this over to the trash can and just gave it a good whack on the back, and look at, I mean, everything is stuck where I want it to, and obviously glitter didn't stick where I don't want it to. Super cute, and you can just deck things out however you like. I mean, I did color on color. Other than this one, I did do the blue on there, but I don't know that you can really see it. It's very pastel, so wherever you want to use it, oh, you can do that. And then I'll put this here. Let me see if that's centered. Just about, maybe a little bit crooked, huh? Again, you know I like eyeballing everything, so there you go. I'll turn this over, give it a squeeze in the back. What a sweet card. So thanks for watching, guys. I will have images coming up. I have the links as available at the very top of the description box, but definitely embedded in the video here. And I'll see you all at the next one. Super cool. What a fun idea. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.